Black Elite V2. Black Elite device. Let's unbox it. Color green. USB Type-C. Battery indicator. And then this is a disposable device. So let's open. I chose flavor is a lemon, round mellow or lemon flavor. So let's remove the cap here. This is 12,000 pops menthol. So let's put it here, here, and let's pop it. That's all. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.